Ladies and gentlemen, fellow citizens of the United States, I stand before you today, humbled by the privilege of serving as your first president. As I reflect upon my life, I am honored to share with you my greatest accomplishments. Firstly, my proudest achievement was leading our brave Continental Army to victory during the American Revolutionary War. Together, we fought for independence and secured the birth of a new nation, free from tyranny and oppression. Secondly, I am proud of presiding over the drafting and ratification of the United States Constitution. This remarkable document established the framework for our government, protecting the rights and liberties of all citizens and providing a vision for a more perfect union. Thirdly, I must mention the establishment of a strong and effective federal government. As the first president, I worked tirelessly to shape our young nation, setting precedents that would endure for centuries to come, including the formation of the executive branch and the cabinet system. Fourthly, I take pride in the successful implementation of our economic policies. From championing the creation of the first national bank to promoting internal improvements, we laid the foundation for America's economic prosperity and stability. Lastly, but certainly not least, I am grateful for the opportunity to establish a tradition of a peaceful transfer of power. After 2 terms as president, I willingly stepped down, setting the precedent for future leaders, ensuring the continued stability of our democratic republic. As I look upon the legacy I leave behind, I am filled with gratitude for the unwavering support of our citizens. Let us remember that the achievements of one are the collective triumphs of many. Together, we have built a nation, united by the pursuit of freedom, justice, and prosperity. As I bid you farewell, let us not forget the eternal values that define us as Americans. May we cherish the principles of liberty, remain vigilant in safeguarding our democracy, and forever hold dear the bonds that unite us as a nation. Thank you, and God bless the United States of America.